What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Place K Spot back with another video, and today we have a serious restoration. So we have this serious restoration on a pair of UNC 12s. Just prepare yourself, cause these when I seen these, bruh. And if you guys are watching the video, you guys know what I said, but here they are. And in the clips before, like this whole intro, you guys seen them outside in the light, and it's just like these are just straight. These are total, bruh. But I'm gonna work my magic, do what I do, and yeah, get these joints looking fresh again. So yeah, but let me tell you what I'm gonna do. So basically, clean them, most definitely clean them, put them in the wash machine. If they have to, probably got to go maybe once or twice, to be honest. Probably gonna have to get some new laces. The nubuck is actually good. It's just dirty. So yeah, and then of course we got to hit that repaint on the white. And then after everything's cleaned up, then we'll just really go from there to see what else I have to touch up, everything else. So let's get this started. Let's go. Alright, so we just painted the leather that was on here that needed to be repainted. It looks so much better now. But yeah, it looks so much better. So first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it with the matte finish, Krylon matte finish, and then after you do that, we're gonna put a coat of Krylon crystal clear on it to give it just like a more shinier look. And yeah. And if you're wondering where I got this on, I just had my hair retwisted, so I just put this on. Yeah. But I'm gonna go put the finishers on, and I'll come back with this shoe. And then after that, I'm gonna get a lot of these creases out, like right here. Get some of those creases out, and then some of the creases that are like, I'm gonna try to work on some of the creases that are right here. Other than that, that's gonna be it. And yeah, I'm gonna try to work on like a few more spots, stuff like that, and try to, you know, unyellow them a little bit more in the indoor icing setup. But other than that, let me go do this finisher, and I'll come back, and if I need to say something, I'll cut the camera back on. So yeah.